Hi everyone, this is Deepa. Today let us see the variable and data types. What is variable and all? Okay, so variables are nothing but storage containers. Actually, the word variable comes from the word vary. That means throughout the program, during the program execution, the value of variable will be changing. Okay, so in the case of Python and all, there is no need to mention the data type and all. So for variable, there are three types for a variable. First one is value, and second one is ID, and third one is type. Okay, these are the three components of variable. Okay, it's a storage container and it can store something. There is no need to specify data type in other programs. It has three main components, that is value, ID and type. For example, I can write to you here, if you are typing x equal to 10, this is actually called value and this is variable and this is assignment operator. Okay, so for a variable this is called L value and this is called R value, resident value and local value. So whenever we are storing something in computer's memory, it has specific memory location. That is what is called ID. If you are typing here ID of X, it will return some memory address, something like this. Okay, based on your system, it will be displaying the memory location. If you are typing type of X, that will return what is the data type of the specific variable you used in this program or in this situation. Then value means if you are typing x equal to 10, the next prompt, if you are entering x and enter, then 10 will be the output here. So it has main three components, value, ID and type, and we can declare variables like that. Whenever we are retrieving, just name the variable's name, then we can retrieve the value. Here, left part is called L value and right part is called resident value. ID means the memory location of the variable and type means data type and ID means memory location. Value means which is the value we are actually storing in the specific variable. These are the things about variable. Then how can we define variables? Some rules are there for naming variables. Okay. Rules for naming variables. Okay. It can be the combination of alphabets, numbers and underscore. Okay, should not start with, don't start with digits. Okay, keywords are not allowed. Okay, keywords are the reserved words used in Python programming language. It is case sensitive. Variables are also case sensitive. So we can make use of the alphabets, but it should not start with the digit. These are the main rules we need to remember while declaring the variable. Okay, so let us see what are the data types available in Python. Okay. First one, number. Second one, sets. Third one, sequence. And next one is mapping. Okay, here integer will be there, float, boolean, complex. These are coming under numbers. Okay, then none is also there. None is also there. Then sets. Sequence, there are three types: tuple, list, string. Okay. Then mapping, dictionary. These are the data types available in Python. Numbers are there. Different number formats are allowed: integer, float, boolean, complex number in the form of a plus ib. That is also available here. None is there. Sets is there. Then sequence, we are mainly focused on this one: number format, and tuple, list, string. For 12th and all, we are focusing on tuple, list, string, and dictionary also, mapping. So accordingly, whenever we are coming to the concept of tuple, list, and string, dictionary, I'll explain in detail. Okay, so let us see how to write a simple program in Python. Okay. First one, hash is used to two numbers. Okay. First one, n1 equal to 10, n2 equal to 20. Print sum is n1 plus n2. This is the program for displaying. But whenever we need to input some numbers, we can make use of this one by using program using input and eval function. I will show you in the system. Okay. Thank you. Please watch. So in this video, let us see how can we make use of input and eval function in a program. Okay. In the earlier video, I have already introduced you how to perform arithmetic operations using script mode. We discussed two modes of Python: command interactive window or shell mode, and script mode also. So here we are using script mode for doing this one. For all programs, if you want to execute a set of program at a time, we can make use of which one? Script mode. So let us see how can we make use of. Okay. In the last video, we have used only the inputs already. We worked with a value already inputted in the program itself. So let us see how can we input the values at the runtime. So for that we are using input function, right? Input function. Before that, if you are accepting integer value, you can make use of eval of input, and you can write the message here, whichever message you want to display in connection with the program. Enter the first number or number 1, whatever it is required, you can make use of, and close the parenthesis. Don't forget to close the parenthesis. And next variable I can declare here num2. Same way I can write eval of input, enter number 2. Okay. Yes, it's ready now. So these are the two functions we used here. Eval to retrieve the value for calculations and all. Input, enter a number 1 or enter number 2, like that. If we are using, it will be prompting the user to input. So if you want to retrieve a value for operations and all, then you can make use of eval functions. Okay. So I can write a simple program: sum equal to num1 plus num2. Actually introduced all the arithmetic operations including this one. Which one? Floor division. Here I am going to print sum is, close the quotes, double quotes or single quotes, that doesn't matter, that doesn't make any sort of difference here. So sum is a variable, storing the result, right? And here indentation is very important in the case of which one? Python programming. Whenever you are making use of flow of control and looping statements, actually when we compared with Java and this one C++ and all, we are using curly braces for all those things. Here indentation plays a very important role. If you are making wrong indentation, it will not work properly. Okay, so let us see how this work. Sorry, run module or F5. Wait. Oops, I made a mistake here. I just closed with double quotes starting with single quotes and all. Let us see how this worked just now. Yeah, it's right now. Okay, 45, 67, right. So this way we can make use of. So this is a way of using eval and input function in a Python simple program. So you can make use of these two functions for advanced programming and all, whichever the program you want to input, as well as to retrieve the values, integer values. Suppose you can also check whether if you're giving 77.9, yes, 89.3, right. So retrieve its value, whether it is integer or a float, it will be able to retrieve the value. So what is a value? Actually the user is entering, that value will be retrieving by using eval. So I hope it is very clear to you all. Thank you. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.